malipayon kay ko karon. Can you imagine, ang last na tong hosting was 1994 or 30 years ago. Inguna na nakadugay. I was still 17 years old. So karon 2024 na, karon pa ta naka-host after such a long time, and I'm part of it. In fact, ako pa yun naatlan nga acting mayor sa Cebu City sa hosting. So malipayon jud kaya kung pamati karon. Just do your best. It doesn't really matter if you win or you lose, how many medals you gain. Ang importante is you foster and you build relationships along the way, no? Among your friends, among your co-competitors, camaraderie. Muy pusa sa nas importante, building relationships. Kung magsigi kag pangadji na God's intervention o karon, di lang ta mo storyag patapos, pero it seems like the weather really cooperated karong hapon na og malipayon kay go daghan kay nangadji nga mag-successful labi na gyud ang atong opening kay the past Palaros naguwan man, no? Pero karon makita na to nga dili tantong init, dili sad naguwan. So perfect weather yun ni karon, gihatag yun is kahitasan ug magpasalamat yun ta sa atong Santo Niño and our Lord Almighty. Good luck sa atong mga athletes sa Cebu City. Wishing you all the best. You have our 110% support, and break a leg. Go and get the gold.